Hi, welcome to Pivot Options. So we will analyze Nifty first. So what's going to happen tomorrow? So if we get into 1 hour time frame, see this is a resistance. It's a trend line, and this is a support line where it is bouncing from here whenever it touches this trend line, and uh, this time this resistance it didn't break, but it is sustaining here. It didn't come directly downside. So what happens tomorrow? Let's see. So we will go to the 5 minutes time frame, and if we analyze, the CPR for tomorrow is here, and this is the average CPR. If the price is opening, so if the price opens above CPR anywhere here or here or here, so it may come touch the CPR, and it may bounce from this, and the first target would be R1. You can take CE here, okay? CE you can plan here, and quick scalp here or here. If the moment is good, you can continue until R1. R1 would be the resistance for tomorrow. If the R1 is broken, and if it is sustaining here like this, and if it is breaking any of the candle here like this, then you can go for CE here and you can continue for R2. Okay, this is the first scenario. If the first candle opens above R1 and if it is a green candle, you can directly go for CE option, and the first target would be R2. Okay, and from R2 it can come down to CPR again. So this is the second scenario. And what happens if the candle opens below the CPR, anywhere here, okay, or anywhere here? It will touch the CPR like this, and if you see any red candle here, okay, you can enter PE, and this will be the stop loss. Above CPR would be the SL, and you can continue up till this previous day low. If any case, if the previous low is broken and if the S1 is broken, so you can just quickly scalp until this level, which is 19680. This is the virgin CPR before, and from here the market went upside. So you can exit here, okay, and from here what you need to do is you can just wait until the price action comes. It will touch the S1, and if it is just sustaining like this, and if it is breaking this, just quickly scalp from here. All right. So this would be the another scenario, because this is the trend line. From here we will we draw, and what happens here is, just see. So this is the trend line from here. Okay, if it is breaking the trend line from this level, okay, if it is breaking tomorrow this level after the gap down, after touching the CPR, you will enter PE here, and quickly you scalp until previous day low, and if it is breaking, you can wait until it touches the S1. If it is breaking the previous day low, you can also wait until if it is touching this level, which is the virgin CPR 19680. Okay, from here it may bounce like this, and it can go to CPR also. Okay, so be careful downside, but upside you can only trust if it is breaking the R1 and making a green candle here. Okay, this is the scenario in Nifty. So what happens in Banknifty? Let's see. So this is the Banknifty. Okay, 15 minutes chart. So let's go to 5 minutes chart here. Okay, this is the 5 minutes chart, and see where exactly the CPR is. So CPR is here, and these blue lines, if you observe, this is the virgin CPR. Okay, and this is the tomorrow's CPR. So what happened? It came down touching this virgin CPR here, 45,765 here. This is the virgin CPR tomorrow, and the R1, you can say tomorrow R1 is also will act like a resistance. So if it is opening anywhere here, and if it is going and touching the R1, and if you see any red candle here, quickly scalp until the CPR. You can enter P here, okay, and it will come down to CPR. And from here, if it is bouncing, then you can go for C here again. So it will be a sideways, or like, it will come down, it will go up, it will do like that. If any case, if it is opening here and breaking this level, you can trust only until here, this level, and this is the trend line also. If in case, if it is breaking the trend line, you can go for S1 level. From here, it may bounce again. So since this is a virgin CPR, so whenever the price comes here, it will bounce like this, okay. And if it is going upside, if it is touching this VCPR here, it will come down again. So basically, Bank Nifty is stuck in the range. If it is breaking the range, then only it will go up. As per 1 hour time frame, it is actually bearish, but CPR tells another story, that it is upside, slightly upside. So if any case the price opens here in between R1 and CPR and touching the CPR, and if it is making a green candle, just enter C here and scalp until the R1 level. Alright. Or the next scenario is, if the price opens below the CPR and the virgin CPR anywhere here, here or here. So wait for the price action. If it is giving a good movement, you can just scalp for to CPR level. And if it is making a red candle here and breaking this level, you can quickly enter P and make to 10 to 15 points until this level. If it is breaking this level, just go for S1 target. S1 and the previous day low. This is the previous day low. Alright, this is the Bank Nifty scenario. Okay, so if you want any information regarding CPR levels or CPR course, just give a comment, and or you can also join our Telegram group, which is Pivot Options. Alright, so let us just go to the 1 hour time frame once. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame. See, Bank Nifty is still showing green candles, the 1 hour time frame, and this is the virgin CPR. It came down from touching this level and it came down, but it is not going completely down. It is just stuck in the range. If you think tomorrow, if it is opening below the CPR and it is breaking the S1, you can directly go to the target of S2. Alright, this is another scenario, because since it is bearish, like you will have a trend line here like this. If price is opening here and touching the trend line and coming, if you see it is rejecting here, then take P, it will come down. Alright, if it is breaking this trend line, you have another resistance, the CPR here. If it is breaking the CPR, then enter C here and until this R1 level. I don't think it will break the virgin CPR, this complete level here, because it will act as a major resistance for Bank Nifty. If in case if it is breaking the R1, okay, just quickly scalp onto R2. From here again it will drop down. So it completely, it will be like a sideways market, but it gives nice movement because it is average CPR. Alright, thank you guys, thank you so much for listening to this analysis. This is a price action based and also CPR levels based analysis what I'm doing. If you like it, just give a like, share it with your friends who are trading, and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you, take care, bye bye.